2 of making microwave mug brownies. Yum, I love shark. No eggs, dude. Microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds, dude. Actually, microwave it for 2 minutes, because the 1 minute and 30 seconds isn't enough. Oh yeah. Sprinkle a little sugar on top. Add a little bit of cinnamon too. I tried to make it preppy. Let's taste it. Let's taste the shark. Get your special tasting spoon. Oh yeah. It's so hot. Later, I'm gonna post a video of me putting on new nails because mine are crusty right now. Second bite. I'm never making this again. And it was hard. It's spicy. Bye guys.